How to hide friends on Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can hide friends on Snapchat, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to hide a friend on Snapchat, you can just try to basically go ahead and then actually open the Snapchat application here. And once you launch a Snapchat app, let's just say that you want to hide your friends. So what you can do is, instead of hiding, let's say you want to hide one particular friend, you can long press on it and then you can basically just go ahead and then actually tap the little chat settings option, and then you can just choose to remove them as a friend. So long press on it and then tap on manage friendship and just remove them as a friend to see if that helps you solve the problem. If that doesn't, then you can just try coming to the gear icon over here, and once you come to the gear icon, you should be able to see this sort of information where you can just go ahead and then basically select privacy control, Bitmoji avatar, story, and so on. You can set this to my friends and so on. Now if you're curious as to whether you don't want to hide a friend, that you just want to hide friends from seeing your other friends, how do you do that? Well, don't worry, because Snapchat does not give anyone your friends information, because Snapchat friends are already hidden by default. No other people will be able to view your friends list except for you. Now to prove this to you, if I just open one of my friends profile over here, you can see a list of people, and does it show you their friend? Of course not. So Snapchat friends are already hidden by default. You don't really have to do anything for that. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.